Hello everyone. So my next video is Cool Math. I've heard of Cool Math being used in classrooms a lot. It has a lot of games. Um, it's a way to get students to do math without thinking about it, which is always good. It promotes learning. Um, I think almost all of the games on this app are learning apps. Let's see if I can open it up. So part of the good thing about this is that, it goes off of strategy, skills, numbers, logic, trivia. So it really has a wide variety of games to choose from. So I think any kid would be able to find something. So let's see what we want to do. Let's see. I don't want to make it too hard. I won't be able to do it. Okay. Let's see what this mini bubbles is. Anyway, so I think it's all about reflexes. It's about um, being able to figure out what they're supposed to do. Um, but there are, yeah, sometimes, yeah, sometimes it doesn't open and sometimes it does. And I haven't played a lot of these to know what to do. But let's go to numbers. I want to see what numbers has. Anyway, there are lots and lots of games, and it's normally, I would say, a free time. I know my kids like to play Cool Math, but I have never sat down with them to play it. So, yep, Sudoku, Calculate This, Math Clash, Number Tumbler, yeah, you name it, it's there. So the idea behind it is that they're playing math, they're answering questions, they're um, battling whoever they're battling, and they're not realizing that they're learning. So with that part is great. So, yep, it promotes learning. And the next part is that, anybody can do it. It's practicing all the math skills that you're learning in class. And I would say from preschool to age 5. I mean, kids can do it if they want to when they get older. I don't know that the interest will be there because there are probably more games that they'll be more interested in. My two standards that I chose were being able to collaborate with other teachers. My first year of being a teacher, and I need to learn of what worked and what didn't. So lots of collaboration. Um, so I want to bring in technology to the classroom. It's important. The way our society and world are increasing in technology, we really need to step up our game and learn along with our students. So even if I do use this program, I'm sure my students will teach me how to use all the games, and we'll get along with it just fine.